Blackberry is bleeding profusely, struggling to stay afloat amidst the competition. By now, it's quite obvious that they're no longer the trailblazing company they once were, so they've tried to reinvent themselves with devices and a new platform to keep up with the times. From the all-touchscreen Z10 to its redefined QWERTY in the Passport, there's no arguing that Blackberry has been experimenting a lot in order to find that right form factor. Unfortunately, none of them have been able to make a significant impact on consumers. Enter the Blackberry Classic, an old-school berry that employs an iconic design. Indeed, it's a modern spin on a classic, but is it something that'll really bring back consumers to Blackberry Circle? The package contains microSD charging cable, wall charger, stereo headphones, owner's manual. Design. Nostalgia comes full circle with this one, as we're reminded of the Blackberry Bold 9900. Frankly, the Blackberry Classic looks almost identical to the 2011-made Blackberry Bold 9900, though it's slightly larger in size. On one hand, we love the classic design, but on the other, we would have liked to see a more profound, evolutionary design. In all honesty, the design is a stark contrast to the Blackberry Passport, which sports a daring industrial design for the times. Instead, the Blackberry Classic comes off as tepid, one that attempts to give the classic design some notoriety once again, but comes off as being nothing more than nostalgic.